Y'all, today we're going to be making some lemon pound cake. For this, we got some powdered sugar, we got some eggs, we got some butter, got some sour cream, some lemons, some salt, some flour, some sugar, some baking soda, and just for the heck of it, I got some lemon finishing sugar. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to baking. Alright, so in our stand mixer, we're going to start with 6 eggs. And then we're going to take 1 cup of melted butter. Then we're also going to take 1 cup of sour cream. Then we're going to take one of those lemons. Then we're going to go ahead and take that same lemon. Just go ahead and juice that in there. And if you want a little more lemony flavor to yours, you can zest another lemon in there. Or use a little bit of lemon extract, about a teaspoon will do. Go ahead and get this mixed up. Okay, to this we're going to take 3 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 2.5 cups of sugar. We're going to go ahead, get this well blended together. Once that's well blended together, go ahead and pull the bowl. Now I got a well-greased, and I mean well-greased, bundt pan here. Go ahead and even this out. Might let it sit for a minute or two just to let it fully even out. Alright, so now we got our oven set to 325. We're going to throw this in there for about an hour to an hour and 15 till you stick a toothpick in and a couple crumbs stick to it. That's what you're looking for. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. Our lemon pound cake is out of the oven. We're going to go ahead and let it sit here on a cooling rack for about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back to it. Alright, y'all. So we have our lemon pound cake turned out onto our cooling rack. We're going to go ahead, let this finish cooling. And while this is cooling, we're going to go ahead and make our glaze. Alright, so in a bowl, don't have to be a big one, we're going to go ahead and zest that other lemon. We're going to go ahead and also juice it into that lemon, or into that bowl. Take some of our powdered sugar, dump it in that bowl with that lemon. We want a nice thick glaze as well. That's what we're going for here. Okay, once you got a nice icing, go ahead, set this to the side. Alright, y'all. Moment of truth, it's cooled down. And spreading out all our glaze on top. Alright, y'all, there we have it. A lemon pound cake. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.